Just let your energy flow in everything you do. People are funny and sometimes it's sure, but you have the power to open and walk through another door anytime you want to. Yeah, that's all on you. You decide what makes you happy and free. You are the one who has control of who you will be and what you will do. Let the world serve you. I am a legend divine. Consciousness lead me.
Lovelies. So I decided that I'm going to start sharing my new world with you. This is my new world. This is where I live now. It's my house. It's my front yard. And I'm starting this garden. So I'm going to start sharing what I'm doing, what I'm building, what I'm creating with you again. I feel like I'm ready now. I feel like I'm freer now. Look at that. This is what I wake up to every freaking morning. How abundant. Tell me that's not abundance, baby. There's no traffic. There's no loud noise. There are no sirens. You ain't gonna hear shit out here. Okay? Uh-oh. Excuse my French. I know some of y'all don't like that. But you're not going to hear nothing out here, y'all. Okay? But this street that I live on, it belongs to my family. You know? It belongs to my mother. The land I live on belongs to my mother. So, yeah. But anyway, I'm starting the front yard garden. It look a hot-ass mess right now, y'all. I'm going to be serious with you. It look a hot-ass mess right now. But you need to see the before and the after. Okay? So, this is a part of the before. I do have some tomatoes. Look at them tomatoes. I do have some tomatoes coming in on my 2 tomato plants. I have some nice cherry tomatoes coming in. Yeah. And I got wing beans. Some of y'all don't even know what wing beans are. So I might have to do a whole video on what wing beans are when they grow up. But I ain't finna do that right now. But if you're curious, just do a search on YouTube about wing beans. And you'll find out exactly what they are. But anyway, let's go to the rows, okay? This is a row right here. I just started these. It's late July. It's like the last week of July. I just started these and they already coming up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But it's wet out here. I ain't got no shoes on. I got these socks on. I ain't got no shoes on. But look at that. I got stuff coming up, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Hey. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that beautiful. I don't know what that is. Zucchini? I think that's a zucchini. Let's see what's over here. But look at all this stuff I got coming up. Y'all, I just planted this stuff a week ago. And it's already coming up. Tell me that there is not a divine creator. Tell me that. I don't believe that. I do not believe that. Who could do this? Who could do this? Okay. But anyway. Oh, that's like, I think that's a cucumber. I'm not sure. Is these cucumber? Man, to be frankly honest with you, I write down everything I plant, but I don't know what half of this is till it come all the way up. I know what it is when it come up, so. And we ain't got to worry about it. But I buying these I started out with these little white borders. But I think I'm just going to get some raised beds. And put around it. Would be better. But look, I'm going to show y'all this. This is a row. This is a whole row of amaranth. Red amaranth. I think they call it, bleeding lies or something like that. When it grow up, because it have these bloody veins on it. It's a beautiful plant, and you can eat it. That's the good part about it. You can eat it, but it's called amaranth. Okay, and I got the red version. This is the red version. So go look that up, because I ain't finna go through everything, what it is and whatnot. That's a watermelon. That's a watermelon. I got a lot of watermelon planted, y'all. I got a whole lot of watermelon. Okay, let's see what we got over here. That's my zucchini. That's my zucchini. I done cleaned this plant one time. Got zucchinis out, but ain't none on him right now. Ain't none on. Oh, it's some coming up under there. But yeah, I done cleaned it one time. But oh my God, you guys. I'm gonna have so much food. We're gonna be eating good. We're gonna be eating good out here. Okay. But look at my yard. Look how abundant I am, you guys. You know, when they cleaned off my land, if you go back and look at the video where they cleaned off my land, and my cousin Tommy cleaned off my land, and I told him, he said, how you want the land look? You want me to flatten it out, flatten everything out? And I said, no. I said, I want you to make it look like a forest. I said, I want you to make it where when they sit my house down in there, it's going to look like I live in a forest. And that's what it looked like, y'all. It looked like I live in a forest. He did it just like I asked him to do it. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll come back on the plant to get bigger. Love you. Thank you so much for watching. Much love.
We are free to be all that you can be. You are free to love, laugh, and feel whatever you see. We are the one who holds our own heart. You are the one who knows when it's time to depart from any situation. You can always control the way you deal with any relation. I'm letting divine consciousness lead me. I have no matters. I'm happy and free. But I know happiness is looking for me everywhere I go. Love is looking for me everywhere I go. Health is looking for me everywhere I go. Peace is looking for me everywhere I go. Oh, don't you see it? Don't you know? Wealth is looking for me everywhere I go. And all I have to do is receive what's coming to me, being everything that I want to be. You make the plans and decide how this life will go, but it works even better when you know that you know what your soul desires. Yeah, you are on fire with passion and love. Look up to the above. I don't give a care what other people think of me. I'm gonna live my life the way I want to be. I really wish sometimes, I wish I had a crystal ball that could tell me all I need to know, but I don't, so I try to go slow. I try to make my life a success.